What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have VZ102526 here in front of us. And now, so there are a couple things missing, and it's just because this kit is so huge. So a couple things will be the 2525 kit, which is your wide body fenders plus the front lip. That will not be here. We'll be doing a separate segment for that and just combine all the videos together. That way you guys can see the full kit properly. But starting off, we have VZ102492, which is the front bumper kit, which is right here. And then we have VZ102493 is this kit without the side skirts. You can order the side skirts separately from the rear bumper, but for 102493, it is just the rear bumper, your step bracket, which goes right here, and then the rear diffuser with the side pieces and hardware. Now moving on from that, your side skirts will be VZ102492 if you want to order these separately from everything else. And you can also order our rear diffuser separately from everything else. This is VZ102528 if you want to check that out on the vicrez website. Now moving on from those, you do have these right here, which is VZ102526 if you want to check these out and order them separately. Now you will need these for the install process for VZ102524, and I talk about that later on in the video, so I'm not going to go too in depth on it. Now moving back on to the front bumper, which is VZ102494. It comes with a front bumper as well as your side vents, and you have two different options. So you have one with the hole or one without the hole. So you can choose which one you need. Now, the one with the hole is for the LED. This is what the hole is cut out for. And you will need your original LEDs if they are on your car or on your make and model. You will need those to reinstall it back in the hole. So keep that in mind when ordering it. If you need a replacement, I do believe we also sell replacements, and I'm sure we can link that down below in the description as well. Now moving on from there, you will have your grill, then you'll have your grill liner as well as the two fins that come off. Then you will have your trim package, which mounts right here, like so. Then you'll have your top grill, and it does have the badge placement. It does not have the badge emblem, so you will need your original OEM badge if you're wanting to reinstall it. So keep that in mind as well. And I do believe on some makes and models of the Durango, there is a sensor here that is in place of it. If it doesn't have the actual sensor, you can go ahead and just slap this in place, get it painted, or put the logo on it, however you want to do. Now, moving on to the front lip of the front bumper. You can order this separately if you want. This is VZ102523 on our vicrez website. And this is our front bumper lip. And this is just in our regular PPE plastic. And it is sandable and paintable if you are wanting to have it match your vehicle. Now, other than that, that is pretty much it for VZ102526. And here in a minute, we will have the 2525 kit and talk a little bit about that as well as a couple other things. So stay tuned. What's up guys? Now that we're back here with VZ102524, we can go ahead and get into it. So now here we have the complete spread of it. If you're looking at VZ102526 on the website, we do not have the complete spread, the complete wide body fender kit on there. So you won't be seeing everything. We do have the brackets on, which are down there at the very bottom, and we do have the lip on there, but we don't have these 4 large pieces, the 2 on each side, and as well as these 6 smaller pieces in the middle. But we do have the other 6 medium-sized pieces that are shaped here on the website. But other than that, this is the 2524 kit if we break it off here and separate the lip. If we add the lip, That's VZ102525 if you want to go check that out on the website. And there is a price difference there because you are subtracting the lip with one of the kits. So just keep that in mind. If you aren't really wanting the lip, you can go ahead and knock off a couple bucks by going with 2524 instead of 2525. Now, moving on from that, we do have these pieces here, like I was stating earlier, and this is VZ102629 on the vicrez website if you want to check them out. Now, you will need these or have the fender flares already pre-installed on your SRT, Hellcat, or Demon. If you don't have these, you will need these because these are actually used to install the wide body kit itself. So on this piece here, especially, you can see there's actually a pretty decent sized groove inside of this. And that's actually for this fender flare to sit inside of. And then you can put your wide body fender on it, and then it helps keep everything lined up and keep rigidity on it as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it for VZ102526. If you want to see more videos just like this one or a complete install video on this entire kit, there is one up on our vicrez channel at vicrez.com if you want to go check that out. Other than that, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one.